The Australian Transport Safety Bureau has released the preliminary report from its ongoing investigation into the mid-air collision involving a Piper Seminole and a Beach Travelair which occurred south of Mangalore Airport, Victoria, on the 19th of February 2020. Shortly before 11 a.m, the Travelair departed from Tayab Airport for a return IFR training flight to Shepparton via Mangalore with an instructor and student pilot on board. Meanwhile, the Seminole was departing from Mangalore Airport also for a round-trip IFR training flight with an authorising testing officer and pilot on board. While the Travelair was descending towards Mangalore to conduct airwork between 4,000 feet and ground level, the two aircraft collided approximately 8 kilometres south of Mangalore Airport at an altitude of about 4,100 feet. The Seminole travelled for about half a kilometre to the east before impacting an open field, while the Travelair impacted a lightly wooded area a short distance north from the collision point. The two pilots on board each aircraft were fatally injured. ATSB Chief Commissioner Greg Hood noted preliminary reports do not contain findings, identify contributing factors, or outline safety issues and actions.
The preliminary report only contains the factual information as we currently understand it. It describes the sequence of events and it really records the information from our on-site phase of this investigation.
Other areas for investigation include air traffic services actions, procedures and practices, aircraft traffic density in and around Mangalore Airport and classification of its airspace, and Class G and CTAF operational and communication processes and procedures at the airport.
In this particular accident, both aircraft were operating under instrument flight rules. That means that both aircraft were permitted to operate into cloud. So that means that we'll be particularly focused on the prevailing weather conditions at the time. But we'll be looking at every element, and if we discover a safety critical issue, of course, we'll bring that immediately to the attention of operators or regulators.
The preliminary report can be found on the ATSB's website, atsb.gov.au, by searching AO-2020-012.